Hello, foodies! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a game changer in your kitchen. Introducing the oil sprayer for cooking. It's a 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser bottle that's perfect for any kitchen. It's made of premium glass, which can hold up to 17 ounces, 500 milliliters of olive oil. This sturdy and stylish bottle can spruce up any kitchen with its sleek look and practical design. This oil sprayer is a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of ways. It's perfect for air frying, salads, frying, BBQing, it can do it all. Its built-in nozzle is designed to keep the oil flowing smoothly while maintaining a clean and steady stream. With this handy device, you can say goodbye to messy splatters or clogs. The oil sprayer for cooking is also safe for use in the dishwasher and freezer, making it an easy-to-use and convenient addition to your kitchen. Plus, it comes in creamy white color that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. So far, this product has been purchased by over 1,000 customers in the past month alone. Don't miss out on this amazing tool that can transform your cooking experience. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome cooking tips and tricks. Happy cooking, everyone!